Have you ever found yourself staring at a pile of chores, feeling overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning, and wishing there were a way to make it easier on your aching body? I know that for many of us, especially when pain or physical limitations come into play, cleaning can feel like an insurmountable task. It used to be a routine, almost second nature, but as we get older or deal with disabilities, every sweep and every wipe can seem like a marathon. Today, I want to share some lazy yet effective cleaning hacks that are designed just for you, hacks that help keep your home tidy without draining your energy or worsening your pain. Imagine this: you're sitting comfortably with your favorite cup of tea, and instead of worrying about that dusty shelf or sticky countertop, you know that there's a simple way to handle it without straining yourself. These hacks aren't about working harder, they're about working smarter, using tools and techniques that adapt to your needs. In this conversation, we'll explore a few clever ideas to transform cleaning into a more manageable, even pleasant, part of your day. You deserve to enjoy your space without feeling overwhelmed by the chores, and today I'm going to show you how that's possible. Let's begin with one of the simplest yet most impactful changes you can make, using long-handled cleaning tools. When you think about traditional mops or dusters, they often force you to bend over or stretch in uncomfortable ways that can aggravate back pain or joint stiffness. But with long-handled versions, you can reach floors, tables, and shelves without ever having to hunch or strain. I remember hearing about a friend who struggled with chronic back pain. She found that switching to an extendable duster not only made cleaning faster, but also reduced her discomfort significantly. It's amazing how a small tool can transform an everyday chore into something that feels almost effortless. By keeping your posture upright and minimizing the need to bend, you're not only preserving your energy but also taking care of your body. This simple change is a perfect example of how modern design can make a real difference in our daily lives. Another idea that can make your cleaning routine a lot easier is the use of multipurpose cleaning sprays. Instead of juggling multiple bottles and different products for every little mess, imagine having one trusted spray that works on everything from your kitchen counter to the bathroom sink. Multipurpose cleaners are designed to cut through grease, lift grime, and even disinfect surfaces with just one application. I've seen many people say that switching to a single, effective product has simplified their lives tremendously. Not only does it save you time, but it also means fewer trips to the storage cupboard, which can be a relief when movement is limited. Plus, with fewer products to manage, cleaning becomes less of a mental chore and more of a simple, straightforward process. You can spray, wipe, and move on to the next task without the hassle of figuring out which bottle to reach for next. And then there's the magic of microfiber cloths. These cloths have revolutionized the way many of us clean because they are incredibly effective at picking up dust and dirt without the need for heavy scrubbing. Traditional rags might push dirt around, but microfiber actually traps particles within its fibers. What's even better is that these cloths are soft, so they won't scratch delicate surfaces, and they work well dry or slightly damp. Many seniors have found that using microfiber cloths means they can achieve a sparkling clean home with far less physical effort. Imagine gliding a soft cloth across your furniture or countertop and watching the dust disappear almost effortlessly. It's one of those small changes that can really boost your confidence in managing your space without feeling like you're overexerting yourself. Now, I know that trying out new ways to handle daily tasks can feel a bit intimidating at first. You might be wondering, will these hacks really make a difference for me? The truth is, every small adjustment in our routine can add up to a big improvement in our overall quality of life. By incorporating tools like long-handled dusters, multipurpose sprays, and microfiber cloths into your cleaning routine, you're not only reducing the physical strain on your body, but you're also creating a system that works with your limitations rather than against them. These hacks are about preserving your energy, minimizing discomfort, and ultimately, making your home a more comfortable and welcoming place to be. It's important to remember that cleaning doesn't have to be a source of stress or pain. It can be a part of your day that you approach with ease and even a bit of enjoyment. When you have the right tools at your disposal, you can take pride in a clean home without feeling like you've given up your energy for other activities that bring you joy. Perhaps you'd rather spend your afternoon reading a favorite book, catching up with a friend, or simply relaxing, and that's completely okay. The goal here is to free up your time and physical energy so that you can enjoy life to the fullest without being bogged down by tasks that have become more challenging over time. As you consider these ideas, think about how you might start small. Maybe it's as simple as investing in one long-handled tool or trying out a new cleaning spray that promises to cut through grease and grime effortlessly. The beauty of these hacks is that they don't require a complete overhaul of your current routine. They're little tweaks that add up over time, making a significant difference in how you feel after a day of maintaining your home. And the best part is that each hack is designed with your comfort in mind, recognizing that your energy and physical abilities are precious resources that deserve to be conserved. I hope that as you listen to these suggestions, you begin to see cleaning not as a burden, but as an opportunity to care for yourself. It's a chance to set up an environment that nurtures you, one that's both clean and comfortable without costing you too much in effort or pain. Every time you use these tools, you're making a small statement that you value your well-being and that you deserve to have a home that supports your lifestyle. So, take a moment now, breathe deeply, and imagine how your cleaning routine could transform with just a few thoughtful changes. Picture yourself moving around your home with ease, confident that the right tools are at hand to make everything a little simpler. In a moment, we'll continue exploring more ways to simplify cleaning, but for now, consider these first few hacks as your starting point, a foundation for a cleaning routine that's as gentle and effective as you are. Now that you've gotten a taste of how a few simple tools, like long-handled dusters, multi-purpose sprays, and microfiber cloths, can transform your cleaning routine, let's explore a few more clever hacks that can make everyday chores even more manageable. Imagine easing into your day knowing that you have little shortcuts designed to help you keep your home tidy without overexerting yourself. One idea that many have found incredibly useful is to create your very own mobile cleaning station. Picture a small, lightweight cart or caddy that holds all your essential cleaning supplies in one convenient place. Instead of repeatedly shuffling from room to fetch bottles or cloths, everything you need is right at your fingertips. This way, you can simply roll your cleaning station along as you move about your home, reducing the number of trips back and forth and saving both time and energy. I've heard from folks who say that once they made this adjustment, cleaning felt less like a full-body workout and more like a few small, easy tasks that fit naturally into their day. Another smart hack that can make a big difference is to take advantage of technology, specifically a robot vacuum cleaner. These little helpers have become surprisingly effective in navigating around furniture and cleaning under your bed or sofa, areas that are often hard to reach. Even if you've never used one before, many seniors are now embracing the convenience of a robot vacuum. You set it up, and it quietly goes about its business, picking up dust and debris without you having to lift a finger. It's not only a modern convenience, it's a way to preserve your energy for the things you truly enjoy, whether that's reading, chatting with friends, or simply relaxing in your favorite chair. The idea is to let technology shoulder a bit of the burden so that you can enjoy a cleaner home with minimal physical effort. Sometimes, the secret to a lighter cleaning routine is as simple as breaking your tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Rather than feeling overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning your entire home in one go, why not set aside just a few minutes here and there to tackle one small area at a time? You might decide to spend a brief moment after breakfast wiping down the kitchen counter, or take just 10 minutes before your favorite TV show to dust the living room. Over the course of the day, these little bursts of activity add up without leaving you feeling drained. It's like giving yourself mini breaks that not only maintain your space, but also help prevent the fatigue that comes from trying to do everything at once. This approach allows you to keep your home in order while still preserving your energy for the moments that matter most. Another technique that can help make cleaning less of a chore is to use everyday items in creative ways. For instance, many have discovered that an old sock, pulled over your hand, can become an effective dusting tool. It's soft enough to gently clean delicate surfaces and flexible enough to reach into corners or around tricky objects. The idea behind this hack is that you don't necessarily have to invest in fancy new gadgets when something simple can do the trick. Sometimes, repurposing what you already have not only saves money but also reduces the number of new items you need to store. It's a reminder that sometimes the easiest solutions are right there in your home, just waiting to be put to good use. I also want to mention the power of multitasking when it comes to cleaning. For example, if you enjoy listening to your favorite music or an interesting podcast, why not combine that with your cleaning routine? Instead of sitting idle during commercial breaks or waiting for your show to start, use that time to quickly tidy up a small area. This way, cleaning becomes a part of your leisure time rather than an extra burden. It's a subtle shift in perspective. By pairing a task you might usually dread with something that brings you joy, the entire activity can become a bit more enjoyable and less taxing on your body and mind. And then there's the idea of being proactive with preventative cleaning measures. For those who experience pain or mobility challenges, taking a few moments to clean spills or dust up messes right away can save you from dealing with a much bigger job later on. This proactive approach means you're not left with the daunting task of deep cleaning after a lot of clutter has built up, which can be particularly strenuous. By handling small cleaning tasks as they occur, you create a rhythm that prevents the workload from piling up and overwhelming you on any given day. Each of these hacks, whether it's setting up a mobile cleaning station, inviting technology like robot vacuums into your routine, breaking tasks into manageable pieces, repurposing everyday items, or pairing cleaning with enjoyable activities, helps you create a system that works for you. They're all about reducing the physical strain and mental burden of keeping your home tidy while respecting the limitations you might be facing. The beauty of these ideas lies in their simplicity and adaptability. You can try one, see how it fits into your routine, and gradually build up a collection of strategies that make cleaning less of a chore and more of a series of small, easy steps. As you think about integrating these methods into your day-to-day life, remember that it's all about preserving your energy for what matters most, enjoying the comforts of your home and the company of those you love. These hacks aren't meant to overhaul your life overnight. They're gentle adjustments that can bring a sense of ease and empowerment back into your daily routine. Take your time, experiment with what works best for you, and know that every little improvement is a victory in making your life a bit more comfortable and enjoyable. Now that you've explored a variety of smart cleaning hacks, from long-handled tools, multi-purpose sprays, microfiber cloths, mobile cleaning stations, and even letting technology lend a hand, it's time to bring it all together and consider a few final ideas that can further lighten your load and transform your cleaning routine into a series of small, manageable moments. Imagine if every task, no matter how small, felt like an opportunity to care for yourself rather than a burden you must shoulder. One idea that has helped many is to plan your cleaning around your own energy levels. Instead of forcing yourself into long, exhausting sessions, you might choose to spread tasks throughout the day, focusing on just one area at a time. Perhaps you begin your morning by simply tidying up the living room, then later, during a quiet afternoon break, you wipe down surfaces in the kitchen. Over time, these tiny bursts of activity add up, leaving you with a consistently clean home without the overwhelming effort of a marathon cleaning session. Another clever hack to consider is the use of organizers and storage solutions that not only keep your home neat but also minimize the physical strain of constantly moving items around. When everything has its place, a basket for the remote controls, a tray for the magazines, or clear bins for everyday essentials, you no longer have to spend extra energy searching for things or lifting heavy piles. It's a way of setting up your space that respects your pace, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, enjoying your surroundings and preserving your energy for the things you love. There's also great benefit in embracing cleaning as part of your self-care routine. Instead of viewing chores as a dreaded task, try to see them as little acts of kindness to yourself. Each time you wipe down a counter or sweep a corner, think of it as creating a more comfortable, nurturing space around you. This mindset shift can transform an otherwise tiring chore into a meditative moment, a small pause in the day that refreshes not just your home, but your spirit as well. Pairing these moments with something that uplifts you, like playing your favorite music or enjoying a quiet cup of tea while you work, can turn routine cleaning into a cherished ritual. Sometimes, even the way you dress for cleaning can make a difference. Wearing comfortable, supportive shoes and clothing that doesn't restrict your movement can help reduce discomfort and make tasks feel less taxing. It might sound simple, but when you feel physically supported, every movement becomes a little easier, and you're more likely to approach your chores with a positive attitude. Comfort is key, and by taking care of your body in every small way, even in what you wear, you're setting yourself up for success in all areas of life. I also want to remind you that it's perfectly okay to ask for help. Whether it's enlisting the support of a family member, friend, or even scheduling a professional cleaning service occasionally, remember that your well-being is the priority. You've earned the right to make your life easier. Sometimes, a little extra help can give you the breathing room you need to focus on your health and happiness, rather than stretching yourself too thin with tasks that become more challenging with time. As you experiment with these different hacks, notice which ones fit naturally into your routine and bring you the most relief. Perhaps you find that the mobile cleaning station is your favorite for its convenience, or maybe breaking tasks into small sessions works best for you on days when energy is in short supply. Every little improvement is a victory, each one a testament to your resourcefulness and your commitment to living a life where comfort and independence go hand in hand. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come and the small changes that are making a significant difference. Imagine a day when your home feels pristine, not because you spent hours scrubbing, but because you've set up a system that works for you, one that respects your limitations while still giving you the joy of a clean, inviting space. It's not about perfection, it's about finding ways to make your day a little easier and your life a little brighter. I truly believe that every small step you take in modifying your cleaning routine is a step toward a more comfortable, empowered way of living. Your home should be a sanctuary, a place where you feel safe, at ease, and in control of your environment. With these lazy but effective cleaning hacks, you're not just tidying up, you're creating a space that supports you in every way possible. And in doing so, you're showing yourself the kindness and respect you deserve. I'd love to hear from you about what has worked in your home. Have you tried any of these hacks, or perhaps discovered another trick that makes cleaning a little less daunting? Your stories and experiences are not only inspiring but also a valuable reminder that we're all in this together, finding creative ways to navigate the challenges of everyday life. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If this conversation has helped lighten your cleaning routine and brought a bit of ease to your day, I invite you to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips and uplifting advice tailored just for you. Your support means the world, and together we can build a community where everyone feels empowered to live their best, most comfortable life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and every step you take is a step toward a life filled with less pain and more joy. Stay well, stay strong, and here's to a home that truly supports the wonderful person you are.